Hello students, today we are going to start chapter number 3 from your NCERT book Playing with Numbers. Topics to be covered in this chapter are: first, introduction; second, factors and multiples; third, prime and composite numbers; fourth, divisibility tests of numbers; fifth, common factors and multiples; sixth, prime factorization; seventh, finding HCF, that is highest common factor; and last one is finding LCM, that is least common multiple. The number 6 can be written as a product of two numbers in different ways. 1 multiplied by 6, 2 multiplied by 3, 3 multiplied by 2 and 6 multiplied by 1. From these products, exact divisors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. They are called as the factors of 6. Factors and multiples. The number 4 can be written as 1 multiplied by 4 is equals to 4, 2 multiplied by 2 is equals to 4 and 4 multiplied by 1 is equal to 4. The numbers 1, 2 and 4 are exact divisors of 4. Therefore, these numbers are called factors of 4 and 4 is a multiple of 1, 2 and 4. Again, the representation 20 is equals to 4 multiplied by 5. Here, 4 and 5 are the factors of 20, whereas 20 is a multiple of 4 and 5. There are some conclusions about factors and multiples. First is, 1 is a factor of every number. Every number can be written as 1 multiplied by the number itself, that is 6 is equals to 1 multiplied by 6. 18 is equals to 1 multiplied by 18. So, 1 is a factor of every number. Second is, every number is a factor itself. I write the factor of 7 here, 1 and 7. The factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. From these examples, we can say that every number is a factor itself. Third is, every factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. Here the factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. All these numbers are the divisors of 16. Fourth one is, every factor is less than or equal to the given number. The factors of 28 are 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. Here we can observe that every factor is less than, that is 1, 2, 4, 7 and 14 are less than 28 and 28 is equal to the given number, that is 28. So we can say that every factor is less than or equal to the given number. Fifth is, number of factors of given numbers are finite. The factors of the factors of 35 are 1, 2, 17 and 34. That is, these are factors, means these are only 4 factors. We can count that these are 4 factors. Sixth is, every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to that number. The multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25 and so on. Here we observe that all these multiples are greater than 5 and also equal to 5. So we can say that every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to that number. Seventh is, the numbers of multiple of a given number is infinite, means these are infinite. We cannot write down all the numbers, these are uncountable. Eighth is, every number is a multiple of itself. 7 is equals to 1 multiplied by 7. 3 is equals to 1 multiplied by 3. That is, these numbers are multiple of itself. Next is prime and composite numbers. You know what are prime numbers? The numbers having exactly two factors, 1 and the number itself, are called as prime numbers. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11. These numbers are having only two factors. The numbers having more than 2 factors are called as composite numbers. Example 4. Which are the 2 factors of 4? 1 and 2 and 4. These are the factors of 4 and these are great more than 2. The factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. These are also greater than 2 factors. So these are called as composite numbers. Remember that 2 is the smallest prime number which is even, and every prime number except 2 is odd. Twin primes. The definition of twin primes is two prime numbers whose difference is 2 are called as twin primes. For example, 3, 5, 5 and 7, 11 and 13, 17 and 19. Here the difference of these two prime numbers is 2. Therefore, these are called as twin primes. Thank you.